Hi, today I'm going to talk about on how to do a batch wise sales entry and purchase entry as well in real accounting software. First of all, enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, a dashboard will open up. So in that dashboard, first what you have to check is go to settings, advanced settings, and in the inventory settings, check if this allow batch number is given as yes. Here it's already given as yes, so we can close this here, and now we can go to purchase. And now when we enter any item, now for example we enter this item, and first of all we'll go to the batch number column. So on the box of the product you'll get a batch number. So what you have to do is enter that batch number here and click enter, so that a pop-up will come here, and here you can enter your expiry date of that batch. So after entering your expiry date of that batch, and if you have another type of selling rate, for example if it's 3.5 for that item, you can enter 3.5, and if you want to keep the same code as a barcode as well, you can do that, and you can create. So you can create multiple batch numbers with this, and you can save it. So this is how you do a purchase batch item entry. And in the sales, what you have to do is go on the sales, enter that item, and in that item here you can see multiple batch numbers. You can enter that batch number here, and it's 3.5 for that item. You can click enter, and if how much piece, if the customer is taking 2 piece, you can enter 2 piece, and then you can click save. So this is how you do a batch wise purchase and sale entry. Thank you.